Boosters of Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccines are now being given out to some Americans, but there's still some confusion on who's eligible to get the vaccine, where to get the shot, or whether you need a doctor's note, and more. The U.S. COVID-19 booster campaign is now in motion for a third time.
Boosters will be free for everyone, regardless of immigration or health insurance status. No ID or insurance required.
The White House says up to 20 million Americans are 6 months out from their last dose of Pfizer vaccine, and they can get it if they fall into one of three high-risk groups. Those who are 65 or older, adults at high risk for severe COVID-19 like people with underlying health conditions, and adults at risk of frequent exposure such as frontline workers. The third or booster Pfizer shot is available now at roughly 80,000 places across the U.S., including 40,000 local pharmacies.
COVID-19 vaccine booster doses so far are well tolerated.
The CDC says reactions are similar to those from the second vaccine dose, most mild or moderate, and include muscle aches, fatigue, and headache. People are being asked to decide themselves on whether they're eligible for the booster since they do not need a doctor's note to get it.
We will continue to evaluate data as it becomes available in real time and with urgency, and update our recommendations.
As of now, Johnson & Johnson is still gathering data on boosters, and Moderna has submitted booster data to the FDA. And while officials say boosters are important to continue protecting Americans, their focus remains on the unvaccinated.
One thing we can't lose sight of is that it is still a top priority to get people first doses.
Dr. Fauci says he expects authorizations for other vaccines as boosters will not take long, and says that some data informing Americans on whether it is safe to mix and match between other vaccines as boosters will be available soon. Reporting from the CVS Pharmacy in Doral, I'm Alejandra Garcia, South Florida Media Network.